life would be incredibly simple. You actually, I don't know if you need foreign policy. You certainly won't need foreign ministers. But it's, I want to say that, in real life, I mean, you spoke about the Israel issue. Look, in a way, how different the pulls and pressures can be. On the one hand, what happened on October 7th was terrorism. On the other hand, nobody would, countenance the deaths of innocent civilians. Countries may be justified, at least in their own minds, in responding. But you cannot have a response which does not, every response must take into account something called international humanitarian law. And the fact is that whatever the rights and wrongs of the issue, there is the underlying issue of the rights of the Palestinians and the fact that they have been denied their homeland. So, I'm taking that one issue and I've given you 5 different aspects of that issue. And somewhere a solution cannot be that I will pick 2 out of the 5 and leave 3, because you will not get a solution out of that. So the point is, all of us who are in the, I would say, the policy world, who have to take those calls, much of our challenge is how do you get this balance right? That we are today still one of the countries who are in a position, where I go back to India tomorrow. I have the foreign minister of Ukraine visiting me the day after that. We have also been the country who have the opportunity to talk to the Russians very frankly and bluntly on this issue. On different aspects, others have used us to pass messages. And by the way, the same thing applies when it comes to the Gaza-Israel conflict as well. So I put it to you today, this is not an issue of a moral cop-out. This is an issue today of appreciating that real life actually has a whole lot of complexities, and that the considered answers, the sustainable answers cannot be